Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. So long time I will bring your video. So in this class we have learned the attractive one of cheese. So I will building glowing gradient loader in HTML and C. I will building that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend and subscribe to my channel. So I will not take a long time. So let's start the video. तो मैं आपको दिखा दे. So now I will tell you what I am building. So I will building that gradient loading glowing loader. So I will building that. So I will not take a long time. So let's start the video. So first of all I will open that. It is small video. Okay, so yeah, here we can go to the down. Sublime text here now. So you will opening. So he will opening. So he will open. Control A, erase it, save here. And now here we can open it. Style.css also file. So I will choose another app and go to the down. And Sublime text save here. And now style.css. And now first of all here I will write like HTML and tab. And here I will like gradient glowing loader. So till here my work is done. Loader, okay. So now till here my work is done. So now here I will go to the here and enter press div class will be loader enter press. And here we can write h1 should be also, sorry, not h1. And now save here, go to the here and I will go to the here and here we can write like margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, enter press, body, display flex, enter press, justify content should be centered, align items should be centered, min height should be 100 VH, background should be my hashtag 000. And now here we can enter press and now here we can write dot loader and enter press and here we can write position relative, enter press width 300 pixels, enter press height and here we can write 10 pixels, enter press background ff comma webkit slash box slash reflect and enter. And here we can write below should be 1 pixel, sorry, 1 pixels. And here we can write linear gradient and now here we can write transparent. So and transparent should be my, so here we can write easily my transparent and transparent should be easily as 000. And here we can write comma hashtag 0000 10. And now till here my work is done. So here we can write enter press and now here we can enter press dot loader and loader should be my hash before enter press content should be that and now content and here we can write like position and absolute and here we can write insert should be 0, background should be safe here, then refresh till here my work is done. So now first of all you can only write background. Background should be hashtag 000, and now here we can tell here my work is done. Enter press. Dot loader hashtag after should be also my like content. Content should be that. Position should be center. And here we can write insert, outline should be my none stone none. And here we can write like here we can write many colors like background. Hashtag 9 linear gradient 90 degree, comma, hashtag FB00 94 until my work is done, then comma, then here you can write like 5 2 3 6 and 7 another comma, hashtag here we can write 5 6 7 8 2, and here we can write another comma, hashtag here you can write like B 1, and now till here my work is done, another comma, and here you can write then save, and now here you can write so here till here my work is done. Here you can see it till here my work is done. Save here, refresh. So here you can see it till here my work is done. How to build that for you? It's a small video because it is very easy video, and I will only practice you how to build that. So here you can see it easily. I will build it that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I hope you, and I go. So for today, goodbye.